How to set a WhatsApp wallpaper. In today's video, I'll show you how to set a WhatsApp wallpaper theme on the chat. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on your device. For iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and for Android user, you can download it from Google Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Make sure to log into your account. Now go to the chat section from the bottom, and here you can see your chat list. Simply click on the chat that you want to change the wallpaper of. Then click on this person contact info. Scroll down a little bit and here you can see different options. You can see this chat theme option here. Click on it. Now you can choose the wallpaper from here. You can also increase the brightness or decrease it as your preference. You can change the color, theme, and if you don't like this theme, simply click on this cancel option and select another one. And that's it. This is how you set a WhatsApp wallpaper. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.